welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on how to use the YouTube app. Whether you're new to YouTube or looking to discover more features, this guide has got you covered. First things first, let's download the YouTube app. Head over to your device's App Store or Google Play Store. Search for YouTube and hit the install button. Once installed, open the app to get started. If you're new to YouTube, you'll need to create an account. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner, select Sign In and then Create Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your new YouTube account. The home screen is where you'll find recommended videos tailored to your interests. Scroll through to discover new content or use the search bar at the top to find specific videos or channels. Looking for something specific? Tap on the Explore tab to browse videos by categories such as music, gaming, news, and more. It's a great way to dive into content that fits your interests. To keep up with your favorite channels, head to the Subscriptions tab. Here you'll see the latest uploads from channels you're subscribed to. Not subscribed to any channels yet? Simply search for a channel and hit the subscribe button. Make YouTube your own by customizing your settings. Tap on your profile icon, then Settings, where you can adjust your playback preferences, privacy settings, and notifications. Congratulations! You're now ready to explore all that YouTube has to offer. Remember, the more you watch and interact, the better YouTube gets at recommending content you'll love. Happy watching! Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to use the YouTube app. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you in the next video.